A vendor in agriculture would be those that you pay money to. And so everybody that you buy your inputs from. So those you buy seed, those you buy vaccine or fertilizer. To add a new vendor into your QuickBooks account, you're going to come up here on this menu bar, click Vendors, and then Vendor Center. Once your Vendor Center opens up, you're going to come up here to the New Vendor option with the down arrow and click on New Vendor. Here you will enter in all the information about your new vendor. You can probably skip the payment settings, account settings, and additional information tabs. However, if this vendor is going to receive a 1099, it may be helpful to enter the tax vendor ID. But be warned, if you do so, it may trigger QuickBooks sensitive data protection, and which will require that you put in a password every time that you enter into your QuickBooks. Now that all the information is entered in for this vendor, I can just simply push OK. You can also quick add vendors by writing as you write them checks. And so if you go down here to the right check, pay to the order of, you can put in the new vendor's name. And as you push tab or enter, it's going to say that the name was not found in your vendor list. All you have to do is quick add. Vendor, OK. When you go back into your vendor center, you can see that that company was quickly added to it. If you go here into the list of vendors and double click on the company, it will pull up the edit vendor box, and then you can go through and enter in all of that additional information about your vendor. As you do this, please note that you should not enter in a current balance if you are a cash basis taxpayer. To add in the accounts payable, you will have to enter in a bill. So here at home, we push Enter Bills. We will add the vendor, and then we will add the amount that we owe as well as the date that we bought it at. As we continue to do that for all of the bills that we owe to each vendor, we'll be able to have an accurate account payable.